Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing uspassportandvisa.org. So as you can see, it is a site that helps you with your immigration process for easier processes with your US passport and visa. So as you can see, this site is too good to be true since I only found out about the site just now, and I've done some research about it, and it is basically too good to be true, and I have found some red flags about it. So as you can see, the website is not very well made and it seems kind of shady. So as you can see here on bbb.org, so BBB is cautioning travelers about uspassportvisa.org, a website falsely claiming to facilitate international travel processes. Despite a disclaimer stating it's not affiliated with any government agency, many consumers have been misled to believing they're an official site for passport and visa applications or renewals. So please do not use this product. They are not legit. They are not a government official. They're not affiliated with any government office, and they are only a third-party company, which can very well scam you. And right here on Scam Advisor, they are rated very low, which is 6 out of 100, and they have a lot of negative highlights and only 2 positive highlights. So the positive highlights is that they only have a valid SSL certificate, and the website is labeled as safe. Now, the identity of the owner is hidden. The website seems popular, but it's also young. Negative reviews were detected for this website, and the age of this website is very young. So please do not use this website. It is very shady, and it is not official. And please do your immigration or your process for your passport and visa legitimately. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.